Good morning.
Morning.
Carmelita and I just arrived by cruise ship on the island of Bonaire. For today's On Our Own adventure, we are going to Klein Bonaire, one of the few areas that has sand beaches. Lots of pretty shops, Carmelita.
Yeah, flowers too. Look at those pretty pink ones.
Beautiful.
On the search for the Christmas ornaments.
So according to the research, we'll head left here down towards the public ferry. Water is so clear, Carmelita.
Yeah.
Over there's where I think we're supposed to catch the water taxi at Karel's. See you eyeing all those markets that we'll hit after we visit the beach.
Of course.
Got mostly clouds today, Carmelita. A little bit of sunshine.
Probably good for our first day of sun. It's hot.
Toasty.
Humidity is 89%.
Like 88F, 30C, I think's what I saw on the weather report.
Not used to this humidity yet. Boise doesn't have much, but Indiana certainly did. It feels like I'm back in Indiana.
Karel's, spelled K-A-R-E-L-S. So we're walking into Karel's restaurant. It's an over-the-water restaurant. You can see the cruise boat right there. It's 0.7 kilometers walking. It's fancy, Carmelita. So the water taxi leaves in about 15 minutes. The man said we could sit right here across the street in the shade. We've got some nice ceiling fans blowing some cool air. This water taxi charged $25 each for the round trip ticket. We saw some other taxis when we first got off the boat. We're not sure how much they cost, but I'd done some research and we decided to do this one. So see you when we get on the boat.
I know you got these tickets. Those
Yep.
are not departure tickets. Those are for the return trip. That way we don't leave you. All right. You do not have a ticket.
So the ride over is free, Carmelita. You gotta have that ticket to get back. So the departure times are on the 15s, so 9:15 through 2:15. Leaves every hour. The return trips are on the 45s up until 4:45 p.m. For you.
Yeah, that's good. Thanks.
There's no services on the island, so we bought some waters and some Sprites.
We're ready to roll.
Time to go see Klein Bonaire.
Yes.
A lot of beautiful overwater restaurant. Sit there and look at these crystal blue waters. A little bit of reef, so I'm sure there's some fish. Hey baby, we're on Klein Bonaire.
We are.
No Name Beach.
No name.
It's a little windy today.
It is very windy.
So where the boat drops us off here on Klein Bonaire is right near the picnic tables that are under shelters. Looks like those people brought coolers and everything else. Carmelita and I bought a few waters and a Sprite on the boat.
They also have beer if you want a beer. They have beers. They sell as well.
Yeah, so waters are $2 each, and beer and Sprite and Coke are $2.50. $3 each, but if you buy two, it's two for $5. Yeah.
You still need your sunscreen for sure. It's hot down here. I see people think they don't need it and you get red very quickly.
Like a cooked lobster.
That's like a cooked lobster.
What do you think of this spot? Looks like it'd be a nice little windbreak.
Maybe.
Set up our blanket.
Let's see. Have to put plenty of sand in it.
Grand trunk parachute. Pretty nice. Super lightweight, dries quick. And then we just put sand in the pockets.
Good, honey. Good
There's
job.
our beach spot for the beach day. Getting a little bit of sunshine to show the pretty color of the water. We're going to get in the water and have a little dip, baby, before we lay down and enjoy the rest of the afternoon on the beach.
Sounds good. Ooh, as far as I'm doing.
This water is super clear, even though it's a really, really windy day here at No Name Beach. Windy and overcast, it's still very clear. Well, Carmelita and I have had a good time here on Klein Bonaire. It's just a beautiful white sand beach. The water's clear. It's really windy today, and I would probably recommend not coming here on a windy day. The sand it sand blasts you.
Yeah.
But otherwise, it's a beautiful place. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we hope you'll join us on the next.
See you soon.